morning, dear students. So let's start today our computer subject. So on page number 29 we are going to continue lesson number 3, that is interacting with windows. So part 2 of lesson number 3. Today we are going to learn about the different dialog box and message box, check box, radio button. So what does it mean in this window? So first of all we are going to start with the interacting with computer using dialog box. Now what is dialog box, what is message box, we will clear throughout this lesson. So a dialog box comprises of multiple graphical components and buttons. The image given below shows the save as dialog box. When you give option for the save or the save as, save you can directly give, but when you need any change, so that time for the save option will come as save as in the dialog box, and one type of dialog box will open in this as screen shown on your page number 29 computer textbook. So save as screen box is this one, and this one is known as dialog box. Okay, so you want to change name of your file, so you can change name of the file, okay, and save as this way, what type of file you want to save. So here few buttons are there, you can see. This is the list box where you will get the list of your files, which are the files you have saved. And this is the text box, okay, text box where you want to give the name and drop down list. Here is the different list that which are the file name you have given to your file, and then the option is that cancel or save. So this is known as button of the save. And after the changing name of the file, which type of file, document file, PowerPoint file, Excel file, what it is and what type of name you gave, and after that save button. Okay, now next one is text box. What is the text box? The text box looks like a blank rectangular strip with its little written near it. It is used for writing small text in it. See, this is the text box. File name, here we write name of the file, okay, so that we can select with the help of mouse. When you click mouse over this box, you will able to see cursor, and then you type with the help of keyboard name of the file. So here it is, you can click in text box and type the text. Type the text means you have to give the name of whatever work you are doing, for example name of the file or the folder, okay, so known as the text box. With the help of text, that is the help of characters, you are giving the name. Page number 3030, list box. What is the list box? From the word it is clear, list box, that you will get one type of list in the box. List box looks like a rectangular box with many items, with many item names listed in it. It is used for selecting the desired item from the list. So one type of your list is given in the list box. So here you can select that what type of list you want to give for your box, okay, so that you can see from here. Okay, so what type of name you want to give. So it is simple. Here it is a triangle, you can see, and you can go upward also, you can go downward also. Okay, so here it is given, click on the item that is to be selected, which type of list here it is given, what you want to select. Okay, and next one is drop down list box. Drop down list box means what? By clicking down triangle, you can get the down list of the box, list box. So drop down list box looks like a rectangular box with an arrow buttons in it. Clicking on the arrow button displays a list of items for selection. So first point is drop down arrow. You can see this is a drop down arrow. This way you can say this is the drop down arrow. Okay, so drop down arrow. Second one, click on the desired on option number 2. Okay, so after clicking over here, down options are there. You can select any one type of work it is, and you want, you can select, okay, for your file. So this is known as drop down list box. Next one is button. Now what is the button? A button looks like a small rounded corner rectangular that has little that is has its title written on it. So you can see this is a one type of rounded corner rectangle. This is a rectangle and corners are rounded, so it is known as rounded corner rectangle. And name of that button is also given by the title. For example, here it is given save. Okay, so just need to click with the mouse, so it is known as the button. Now on the next page, page number 31. Number 31, first one is checkbox. Now what is the checkbox? There are the few options where you have to click and options you have to give compulsory this way, right mark. That is known as the checkbox. That is one type you can say checked. So checkbox look like a tiny square box with its title written near it. Clicking once within the checkbox, select an item. Clicking on the checked item deselected the item. So if it is not clear in your mind, see here it is option. You can get files and folder. Okay, so here are the few options that always show menus, always show icons, never thumbnails. And next one is display file icon on thumbnails. Display file size information in folder tips. So what you want to select, when you click over there, there is a one rectangular one square box is given near the option, name of the option. Just click on it and you will know to see, able to know right click is shows over here. Okay, that means right click means you have selected this two option for the file to give the name. And next one is radio button. Now what is the radio button in the computer? Radio button, see, radio buttons look like a tiny circle, not rectangular, not square, but tiny circle with its title written near it. Clicking once with the radio button selects an item, and clicking on the selected radio button deselect the item. Suppose you have selected, here it is given that what type of orientation. Orientation means one type of you can say slideshow you want to show that page in portrait or landscape. Suppose you have selected portrait, okay, and you don't want to select, now you want to select landscape. So when it is selected and you again click over it, it will be deselect. Okay, so deselect, and you can select the next one. So it shows like this. Radio button is known as this circle tiny, and one black mark in the circle means it is selected. So only one radio button can be selected from the radio button list. So the one thing you have to keep in your mind, only one radio button you can select. And the next one is alert box. Now what is the alert box? Alert box comprises of warning message and few action buttons on it. So what type of warning? Sometimes when you delete your file, so one message comes for you that are you sure that you want to change, or you want to delete, or you want to untitle, keep pages. So there are the three options: save, don't save, or cancel. So it is upon you that you want to save, don't save, or cancel. So before doing any action, they alert us that you are doing correct work or anything confusion going on thing before doing any action, so known as alert box. So after the text box, check box, alert box, and now spinner. Now what is the spinner? Spinner looks like text box with up arrow and down arrow buttons on it. Now what type of arrow up and down? In text box, same value gets displayed. Clicking on the up arrow increase. So when you give selection of up arrow, it increase the value. And obviously when you click on the down arrow, it decrease the value. Now how we can show it decrease or increase? See, one type of box is here given, that is spinner demo. Few work when you do this type of options also you will get in this form of spinner box. Month, okay, so month January is given, okay, and you want February, March, April, or whatever, for example December. So how you will do? You can see up arrow and down arrow. So you can select suppose you want January, so up arrow is okay, and if you want December, so you need to go down arrow, so it goes down, okay. So it's for the month and the year, okay. So any changes you can do with the help of up arrow and down arrow. So in this lesson we are going to finish by learning this much. What is the text box, spinner box, radio button, alert box, message box. And now we end our this lesson and we will do textbook exercise. So for that you will get PDF. So finish textbook exercise and also write one time in your notebook. Thank you student. Have a nice day.